Welcome to another tutorial on EasyBilling software. In this video, we'll show you how to easily copy item information from one document to another. First, open the document from which you want to copy items and navigate to the Line Item tab. Use your mouse to select the line items you wish to copy. To select multiple items, you can hold down the Control key while clicking on each item. Alternatively, use the Shift key to select a range of consecutive items. Right-click on the selected items and choose Copy Item from the pop-up menu. Now, open the document where you want to paste the copied items. For this example, we'll open a new invoice, but you can use any document type. Go to the Line Item tab in the new document. Right-click on the Line Item table and select Paste Item from the pop-up menu. The item information will now be pasted into this document. And that's it. You've successfully transferred item information from one document to another in EasyBilling. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.